I had these two reversed in the previous lecture, so please be corrected. You have to say this option first and then the parameter, the image. So we've seen how to check if a person's famous or not, and we saw it's not working that well because they were low resolution old pictures. Actually, being old doesn't matter. The low resolution was the problem. So let's move on, and then this time we are going to try to find the person's age by looking at the picture and whether they are happy or not, and then whether they are female or male. This will be interesting. So let's find out. Classify. And then which one should we do? Facial age. Let's see how old they are. Facial. There we go. This is the one. Click. Comma. Okay, now I'm going to put the picture and then close it here. Let's find a picture. Should we use Obama again? I had it before. Let's capture again. So I will go to snip. You know how to do on the Mac. So here I'm going to edit, copy. Okay, go back to my here, and then I will paste it. You can do any picture you want. So let's see. His face is how old? 58. I think that's his current age as of this recording. While at it, let's continue. I'm going to do Control L. You can do Command L on the Mac. It's taking a while because it's taking time to copy the image. And then this time I want to do facial expression. Is he happy? While at it, oh, he's angry. Ooh. Okay, now if I do Control L, and this time I want to see if it's male or female. Facial gender. So you can find out what the machine thinks of each picture. So this could lead to a lot of interesting situation. You can feed your friends' pictures into here and then see the opinion. And depending on the result you get, you can show that to your friends. They may like it, they may not like it, who knows. Okay, let me run it again. Seems like they all expired. It lost the line numbers here. I'm getting an error, so let me run it again. This would not have happened on a desktop version. Let me delete the error. Okay, it's coming. Oh, still an error. Okay, not sure why this is happening. Let me try this in the desktop version. Ready to copy? Copy. Okay, now I have this desktop version that I had. Here we go. I'm pasting it, and let's do it. Just like that. It came out male. Okay, now this is a lot of work, feeding each person's picture one at a time, but you don't have to. You can put it all in one shot and have Mathematica figure out everybody's. It's called facial features. So let's do this here. Facial features. Okay, and here I will put the group's picture here. Let's see. Which one should I choose? Obama family photos. Okay, how about this? So I will choose this one. And I will use this image size, because if I do right click, it will be 4,000 something here. So I will do the snip and then new, and I will click here and drag. You know how to do it on the Mac, so do that. And then I will come here and I will enter here. And then shift enter. I'm getting an error, so while it's figuring what's going wrong out here, I would like to copy this into my desktop. And let's see. I need to get that clip one more time. Let's go back to my this and then edit, copy, and I will bring in here. This is the desktop version, so when I do this here, it will show me their facial features. So it has this emotion and the gender and age and all this. If I do this as a data set, so I went to the front as a data set and open bracket and go to the end and then close bracket like this here, then you will be in a much easier to see form here. So these are the ages, and this is the male-female status and their happiness status. So you can put your group picture, your family picture, or with your friends, and just put it in here. And then you will figure out the whole thing. And as you saw, if there's one thing you learned is that the machine learning is not perfect. So you will have all kinds of interesting results here. Whenever that happens, of course, you got to tell your friend. It's not you, it's the machine that thinks this way. It's not your fault. But you can see the reaction. You can have fun seeing the reaction of other people. As for the online version, I keep running and I'm getting this error here. My experience is that sometimes it works, sometimes it fails. So even though it fails at the moment here, when you come back and try later, it may work. Failed again. It's possible that this picture is too large for this online version. At any rate, I showed you how it's supposed to work, so I will move on to the next one.